Take a look at this one. I'll tell you a little story behind this truck also. Won't see many like this. One owner, original miles. It's a 1994 Chevrolet K2500 4x4 extended cab Silverado. Extremely well taken care of vehicle. It has had a 2-inch body lift, FYI. And if you take a look at this grill, that's a little later 90s grill. Story behind that is owner got it out in the spring thinking winter's over, everything's good to go because the truck hasn't been driven in the winter. Off the top of a semi, a chunk of ice flew, busted the old grill. He liked the looks of this one better, and of course they are interchangeable, so that's why you got a little different grill on a 94 truck than it would have came with new. Now, clean Carfax confirms miles. There's no accidents on it. That's why that grill is different. If you want to check out the still pictures, take a look at the underside of this. Take a look at the engine bay, the interior. You can tell this was a fair weather truck. No doubt about it. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This would be dark garnet red and quicksilver. As you can see, the paint shows well. Quicksilver on the bottom portion. Also running boards. And the thing that you do not see, look around the wheel wells, no corrosion. Look at the reflection coming off that paint. As they say in the business, knee deep in rubber, tires are good on it. Take a look up and down the length of this truck. There's no dings, dents, scratches that I've noticed. If I come across any, the driver's side or passenger side, point them out. Here might be one little tiny spot, but again, remember this is a 94. Interior would be the red cloth, split bench, and look at how nice that cloth is. Now, the one thing, if I get right up on top of it, it starts to fade out some. It is a nice, I guess, red to kind of a dusty. Of course, the burgundy dash, that is all stock. We'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. FYI, had some kids. These are stickers. They are going to be taken off. Will come off. Not a problem there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Glass tight. Fiberglass topper. In the bed of this, there is a bed mat, rubber bed mat in there. Take a look at that in the still pictures. I also pulled it away to take a picture underneath it. It doesn't look like anything's been hardly hauled in the back of this truck, especially without the bed mat in there. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this truck. Again, you can see pretty much free of nicks, dings, scratches, cab corners on it, all solid. And again, around each of these wheel wells, solid. Take a look at the still pictures. There isn't really any surface rust in the frame. And there you can see 2-inch body lift. All right. Of course, the Silverado going to have nice equipment to it. Power locks, power windows, cruise control, tilt column. This one has AM, FM cassette, AC. AC blows cold, of course, power steering, power brakes. And take a look at the seat and the lack of wear, bolster and the seat. When I get up on top of it, this is what I was talking about, it'll start to wash out some. That starts to lighten it up. True color of that seat is right there. Now, these are also the factory floor mats, and you can see in the still pictures the carpeting underneath it. Extremely nice shape. Check it out in the still pictures. Of course, 5.7 liter. That is paired up with a automatic with overdrive transmission. As you can see, stereo does work. I'm going to click that off for the time being. There's your heat and AC controls. AC does blow cold. Look at the rest of this dash. You can tell it was stored inside. No cracks, No sun fading, sort of baking on the dash from sitting outside. You've seen that headliner a little earlier. No problem there. Sliding rear window. So very nicely equipped truck. Shape of it, incredible. Slip around to the back, let's hear how it runs. Sounds like you'd expect. Stock 5.7 liter to sound. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna show you the engine bay too, so you can check that out, and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, for starters, take a look at the hood liner. You can tell it's not been driven in the winter. Do not have any dried salt, anything like that on that hood liner. And then take a look at the engine bay. You don't have the corrosion that you'll see when they're driven in inclement weather. Smooth running, 5.7 liter tried and true engine from General Motors. And of course, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor. Hear that kick on and off. AC does blow cold. And the hood light works. There you have it. One owner, clean Carfax, original miles. And I'm sorry, did I show you the exact miles on there? Did you get a peek at that? 64,947. 64,947. 94 K2500 extended cab. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.